ladies and gentlemen, watch as we light up the sky with color and magic. For your viewing pleasure, SM Elevation present the brightest show on earth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
I'm not that easy to tame. Used to see me under these lights, all my tears turn to ice. That's the sweetest escape. Every time the feeling kicks in, I might stay through the night. Bet you get it now. Rock that didn't I? 잠깐 펼치면 누가 누군지. Whoa. Think you run it back? Guess we gonna you know I walk it, I talk it. 눈 감고 하나 둘 셋. So come up with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know I got that shit that you like. So come on with me, run up, jump. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me up and up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Are you not entertained? I ain't gotta explain. I'm with all of my sisters, got him going insane, yeah. You know we on a mission, all gas, no brakes, yeah. Breaking out of this system, breaking out of this cage, yeah. Bet you get enough, ain't that enough? 순간 잊지마 누가 누군지, think you're running out, guess we gonna know, walk it, talk it. 눈 감고 하나 둘 셋. So come out with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know I got that shit that you like. So come out with me, run up, jump. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me open up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Blackpink in your area.
Thank you for watching Pyro Spectacular from SM Mall of Asia. We hope to see you again next week for another breathtaking pyro musical only from SM Mall of Asia.